In this video, I'll guide you through how to put text behind a subject in DaVinci Resolve. This technique can add a professional touch to your video projects and bring your storytelling to the next level. Let's dive into the process and make your video stand out with this creative effect. First, you want to start by adding your text plus title above the video on the timeline. This is an important step because the position of the text layer will determine how it interacts with the video. By placing the text on a separate layer, you gain greater control over its appearance and interaction with the video content, allowing you to achieve the desired look seamlessly. Now, select the text clip you've just added. You'll notice that when you select it, the inspector panel becomes active. The inspector is your go-to tool for making adjustments and fine-tuning any clip, whether it's video, audio, or in this case, text. It's a powerful feature in DaVinci Resolve that provides you with all the settings and controls you need to perfect your clip. Once you have the text clip selected, open the inspector. In the inspector panel, you'll see several tabs, each offering different options to modify your text. Navigate over to the Settings tab. This is where you'll find various controls that affect how your text interacts with the video beneath it. In the Settings tab, look for an option called Composite Mode, which is sometimes referred to as blend mode. Composite modes dictate how the layers are combined visually, allowing you to create a variety of effects. They are particularly useful for blending images together in creative ways, which is precisely what we're aiming to do here. Currently, the composite mode is set to normal, which means the text is simply laid on top of the video without any special blending. To create the effect of text appearing behind a subject, we need to change this setting. Click on the Composite Mode drop-down menu and change it from Normal to Screen. By switching to Screen mode, you allow the text to blend with the video in a way that makes the background visible while keeping the text clear and prominent. This mode effectively makes the black areas of your text layer transparent, allowing the underlying video to show through. It's a simple yet powerful way to achieve the effect of text behind a subject. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully placed text behind a subject using DaVinci Resolve. This technique is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly versatile, perfect for enhancing a variety of video types from personal vlogs to professional presentations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to try this effect on different clips and experiment with various fonts and text sizes to see what works best for your specific project. The more you explore, the more skilled you'll become in harnessing the creative potential of DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching and happy editing.